Empowering education, support the new Kaduna Cambridge Academy. Dear friends and partners, the Muyikaratu Educational Foundation is proud to announce the completion of the renovation of 9 classrooms and the entire school building, paving the way for the establishment of the new Kaduna Cambridge Academy. This academy is dedicated to providing quality education to less privileged students in areas of 21st century Cambridge primary and secondary curriculum, Tahfiz Qur'an and Islamiyya, ensuring they have access to the same opportunities as their more fortunate peers. We are also pleased to inform you that the Muyikaratu Educational Foundation is a verified foundation powered by Percent, one of the world's most reputable NGO verification organizations with verified registered ID 181465. To fully realize this vision, we need your support. We want to emphasize that we prefer material donations, but those with monetary donations are also welcome. Specifically, we need 9 interactive smart boards, 30 laptops or computers for our computer lab, 30 units each of the following learning tools: STEM kits, phonics kits, learning starter kits, playgroup kits, nursery kits, KG1 kits, KG2 kits, learners and workbooks for grades 1 to 6 in Cambridge Primary, English, maths, science, computer, Qur'an, hadith, fiqh, seerah, and a well-furnished playground for our students. Any item you can contribute will be highly appreciated and will directly impact the lives of many children, providing them with the tools they need to excel academically and personally. Together, we can create an environment that fosters learning, creativity, and growth. Thank you for considering our request. We look forward to partnering with you to make a difference in the lives of these young learners. Finally, we wish to extend our gratitude to our donors who have been donating some of the books you are seeing now in this video. Once again, I am saying a very big thank you to all of you out there, especially my students. You are amazing. Warm regards, Dr. Abubakar Adamu, founder, Muyikaratu Educational Foundation.